Artificial intelligence is becoming ever more important both in industry and at home in our everyday lives. The area of machine learning is playing a big role in this development. Self-learning machines and algorithms are making production processes more flexible and the processing of huge datasets faster and more efficient. But the power of artificial intelligence is only as good as the people who service it and feed the data to it. A basic understanding of how AI works is the prerequisite for the successful deployment of such technology. But how can this complicated and highly mathematical subject be designed in a sensible way for educational purposes? With a new training system for a practical introduction to machine learning from Lukas Nuller, we provide you with the ideal solution for this. The training system is a combination of specialized hardware and software that is used to demonstrate and teach the operating principles of machine learning in a practical and visually appealing way. Based on clear and graphic examples, the entire workflow involving the implementation of AI applications is performed, from procuring datasets all the way to the actual application of the finished algorithms. A playful introductory project starts with the rock, paper, scissors versus AI game application, in which you develop a model to recognize hand signs. The know-how gained from this introductory project is used to implement a visual quality control test where an AI checks if a workpiece has been assembled correctly. Finally, a third project entails the implementation of traffic sign detection and localization, placing special demands on the model and thus increasing the degree of difficulty still further. In these projects, our AI control unit, with its powerful Jetson Xavier NX from NVIDIA, goes to work. The control unit provides not only high computational power, but also numerous interfaces for connection to other devices and systems. You learn, for example, how to connect the AI control unit to a Siemens PLC using OPC UA. In an experiment using a simple setup with a signaling light, all of the necessary steps needed for equipment configuration are demonstrated. That way, it's child's play to integrate the AI control unit into a Smart Factory 4.0 environment. With the software tools installed, the students generate new training data, create and train their own neuronal networks, and test their trained models on different sources, photos, videos, and camera live streams. Thanks to the user interface we created for this, no prior programming know-how is required. This makes getting started that much easier. Nevertheless, all of the scripts used here are open and accessible so that students have the opportunity to work with Python code and to use this as a template for their own applications. Practical hands-on experiments, graphic training software, flexible hardware, machine learning at your fingertips with the training systems from Lukas Nuller.